In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make transparent background on Adobe Express. A transparent background removes the visual clutter behind your subject so you can place it on any color, collage, or design without a distracting box around it. This is perfect for product shots, profile images, logos, and social posts. First, head to Adobe Express. You can open an existing project if you're already designing, or jump straight into the dedicated Remove Background tool from the home page. Either path leads to the same result, so choose whatever fits how you're working today. If you're already in a project, make sure your canvas is open and visible so you can see the change as it happens. Next, select your image. You can add a new photo or click on one that's already on your canvas. Images with clear contrast between the subject and the background generally cut out more cleanly, and higher resolution files tend to preserve fine detail. Common formats like JPG and PNG work great. Before you proceed, take a quick look at the edges of your subject, hair, glasses, or fine textures, so you know what to watch for after the background is removed. With the image selected, look to the Image panel and click Remove Background. Express analyzes the photo, identifies the main subject, and automatically erases the rest. You'll see the background disappear in a moment, revealing a transparent area, typically indicated by a checkerboard pattern. The tool is designed to keep edges crisp, even around tricky details, and it usually nails everyday scenes like portraits, products on neutral backdrops, and simple outdoor shots. If you notice a bit of the original background lingering, that often means the background color is very similar to the subject. Choosing a photo with stronger separation can help, as can ensuring the subject is well lit when you take the picture. You can always try a different version of the image if the first attempt isn't perfect. Once the background is gone, you're free to layer your subject over new colors, gradients, or layouts in your design, and transparency will carry through when you place it elsewhere. That's all there is to it. Open Adobe Express or the Remove Background tool, select your image, and click Remove Background. Simple, fast, and ready for your next creative project. Remember, transparency is preserved best in formats that support it, like PNG, and it will look seamless when placed over websites, slides, or social templates. Keep experimenting with different photos to see how the cutout behaves, and you'll quickly get a feel for what produces the cleanest results.